Okay guys, so we're out today flying my brand new MPD Commander by E-Flite and Horizon Hobby. We have the 2200 milliamp 3-cell in it. I've set the CG at approximately 88 millimeters, and what we're going to do is we're going to fly it around and safe for a little bit. Okay, I'm flying safe here. And it is windy, but the plane's handling it okay. So guys, we had a successful maiden of the Commander. Got it down in one piece. I'm going to throw another battery in there. I'm going to cool down for a second, and then what I'm going to do is this time I'm going to take it out of safe. I didn't take it out of safe because I was just trimming it out, but the plane flies amazing.